I've been in love with her since second year college. I never had the strength or courage to ask her out. Nagkataon na nag-first job kami sa same hospital. Sabi ko, baka ito na ang way ng tadhana to tell me na subukan ko na. So one evening, I gathered all my courage and strength. Pagkatapos ng shift, I asked her out for dinner. To my surprise, she said yes. And the rest was history. Now 3 years na kami and I couldn't be happier. Kaya sa lahat ng torpe out there, take a risk. Mas masakit mapunta sa iba ang taong mahal ka din pala kesa mabasted niya. My love, even sa love, sa relationship, sa romance, taking a risk, more often than not, is worth it. Marami kasi sa atin takot i-risk yung mga puso natin because we know how it feels like to be hurt, to be in pain. We know how it feels like when we spend days trying to get over from a person o kaya naman mag-move on sa isang painful relationship. But we can never forget yung happiest feeling natin whenever things are going our way sa relationship. Hindi naman lahat ng relationship nyo with your exes ay puro sakit lang puro iyak lang, puro, alam nyo yun, puro walang kwenta. There are moments, there are times na you are at your happiest because of that person. Kaya nga kahit papaano, hindi nyo dapat dinidiscredit yung mga ex ninyo no matter how awful the ending had been sa relationship ninyo. Kasi for a moment in time, sa ibang chapter ng nakaraan ninyo, they made you feel like the luckiest person in the world. O diba? They were able to make you feel like ang ganda nyo, ang pogi nyo, ang saya lang na mapunta sa tamang tao. Naramdaman nyo yun kaya nga ganyan yan kasakit Kaya nga ganyan kayo kagalit, ganyan kayo kainis. Because you know how it felt like to be super in love with this person and super happy with this person. It's just that hindi lang nagmeant yung relationship na yun to last. And with people like Ben, na alam niyo yun, ang fear talaga nila from the very beginning ay mabasted. Ang fear talaga nila yung hindi ma-reciprocate yung nararamdaman nila para sa isang tao. You'll never know if you won't try. Yan yung sinasabi natin, my love, na paano kung sumubok ka? 'Di ba? Paano kung tinanong mo siya? Paano kung yung moment na single pa siya? Pumorma ka. Paano kung naging kayo? Paano pala kung gusto ka din niya? Will you ever know kung hindi mo susubukan? And it turned out na in Ben's case, o diba? The girl actually has feelings for him. College pa lang sila. Hinihintay lang ni girl na magtanong si boy. But not every girl, not every person will be that patient and persistent para hintayin yung isang taong mag-make ng first move. 'Di ba? So, if you feel something for someone and you know na kahit papaano there's a 10% or 20 or even 5% chance that this person likes you too. Ang basis natin ay yung gestures nila, yung pakikitungo nila sa'yo, nararamdaman mo na somehow, parang mutual kayo ng nararamdaman sa isa't isa, then go for it. O diba? Take a chance, take a risk. Ando naman lagi yung takot or ando naman lagi yung possibility na hindi siya mag-work out na along the way things will happen, problems will set in. It's always there. Sa kahit anong relationship, laging nakaambayan. Kahit pa nga 8 years na kayo, 10 years na kayo, kahit nga kasal na kayo meron pa rin mga ganyang klaseng issue sa relationship kasi hindi naman yan nawawala You take it not as a caution or a sign that this relationship is not gonna work. You take it as a room that there's still something in the relationship to be improved. Rather than tignan mo siya on a negative point of view na, ay parang hindi talaga kami meant para sa isa't isa. Ay parang ito na yung sign ng universe para sabihin sa akin na hindi talaga siya yung makakatuluyan ko hanggang dulo. Just because meron kayong issues. Just because meron kayong problema. Well, wake up. That's every single relationship in the world. So my love, kung yun yung kinakatakot mo, it's just but normal to have those. At kahit papaano, my love, there's an advantage if you feel afraid. If you feel scared that the relationship may fail or yung possibility ng relationship na hindi magtuloy habang buhay. But because it goes to show how important that relationship is to you. That goes to show how important the person is to you. Diba? It's a clear sign and validation na itong taong to, itong relasyon na to, it means this much to you. So all the more reason, so all the more reason for you to push for it. For you to give it a try. As long as wala kayong sasaktan, as long as wala kang aagawin, as long as hindi kayo mananapak ng ibang tao just to be together, I don't see anything wrong with that. If we fail, if mabasted, if hindi ka gusto ng taong gusto mo, at least you tried. You won't look back one day and tell yourself na sana sumubok ako. Wala kang panghihinayangan kasi alam mo sa sarili mong you tried to reach out. Ngayon, kung hindi niya tinanggap yung kamay mo nung mga moment na inabot mo yon, isipin mo na lang at the end of the day, kahit ba sabihin nilang pampalubag loob lang yan, still, it's good for you to think that way. Na it's her or his loss, not yours. 'Di ba? Kawalan mo. Hindi ko kawalan. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo kung paano ka magmahal Alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung kaya mong i-offer sa relationship. And if this person apparently doesn't want what you have to offer, then bilang pampalubag loob, pampalakas ng self-confidence, sabihin mo na sa sarili mo, kawalan mo. Huwag mo nang sabihin out loud. sabihin mo lang siya sa sarili mo, wag out loud. Masyadong conceited ang dating GGSS yun. Okay? So mga kabisyo natin, and Ben, of course, I wish your relationship nothing but the best this life has to offer, and I hope kung ano man maging differences ninyo along the way, you will always find ways to work it out, and you'll always choose each other at the end of the day. Kasi gano'n naman talaga yun my love. Sa kahit anong relationship, ang importante, pipiliin nyo ang isa't isa no matter what. Okay? Kaya ikaw, kabisyo, kung meron kang crush, kung meron kang someone in your life right now that you know you have feelings for, and you've been holding back on it for quite some time now, take this voice or this time, this moment as a sign for you to actually express your feelings towards this person. Yes, andun yung risk na masasaktan ka. Pero katulad nga ng sinabi ni Ben, mas masakit malaman na mahal ka pala nung taong gusto mo. Hindi mo lang sinubukan kasi natakot ka. Mas masakit yun. Mas masakit yung salitang sayang. Klaro? Klaro.